This literature kit on Twelfth Night by William Shakespeare makes the book more approachable and easier to comprehend. 55 pages chock full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Identify statements about Sir Toby and Sir Andrew's discussion as true or false. Put yourself in the character's mind to interpret Olivia's motivations behind her actions. Imagine how you would survive a shipwreck, just like Viola and Sebastian. Predict the outcome of events in the upcoming scenes. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as writing a love poem using inspiration from the play. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Create flashy headlines for scandals portrayed in different scenes throughout the play. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.